minutes.
Sharp Countertop Dishwasher is a compact home appliance suitable for all sizes of kitchens. It's the only compact dishwasher with self-clean mode. The appliance works in 4 steps: pre-wash, wash, rinse and dry. Intensive mode helps you clean heavily soiled utensils and removes tough stains. Normal is the standard mode for regular wash. Eco takes a little longer time but saves a lot of electricity and water. Use the glass mode for delicate crockery like wine glasses and porcelain dishes. 90 minutes is for regular cleaning and drying. Guest at home? Use the rapid mode to wash your utensils in just 30 minutes. Self-clean feature keeps the machine perfectly hygienic. If you want to remove the moisture completely, use the extra dry feature that gives you super dry and shiny utensils. Enjoy convenience, save your time, and be assured of hygiene